Hi there, I'm just gonna show you some stuff that I bought. Some of it I'm using in this video, and some of it I'm gonna have use for. So this is the first one there is for my pencils. This is a really cool thing that you can take with you when you paint outside. It's very good for both watercolor or acrylic to keep the paint wet and to keep the paper wet. It's a spray and you can fill it with water. I got 4, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna need that, but it's good to have. So here I'm just gonna show you how I do it. This I'm gonna use later in this video for the painting. It's really great. I like that one. And it's small, you can take it anywhere, so that's good. This is most of the things that I bought here is from Søstrene Grene, and that is a Danish company that sells interior design, DIY stuff, and lots of painting stuff and materials. I don't know if that is in the States, I don't think so, but it's a great company. 2 sisters. It's called Søstrene Grene. In English that would be the Sisters Green or something. I like this one because I always put my pencil down on the paper and it forms kind of, and it can mess up your brushes, so this I like. The soap I bought because I saw a YouTube video, I don't remember what what her name was, but I saw that someone used this with, first they put water and soap on the brush, and then she used it with masking fluid. So this is kind of great because it's, when you take the masking fluid off the pencil or the brush later on, it would just tear off like rubber. This I don't know why I bought. I thought it was bigger. So that's not. If you know me, you know that I knit, so this was kind of cool. Cheap knitting needles. I bought some more tape, just to tape the watercolor paper down. Fancy tape. And then I bought this mug. It is really good. It keeps hot drinks really, really hot for a long time, and it's cute. So here I'm trying to show you the logo of the company, Søstrene Grene. I don't believe you can buy from the States, but you can always try. So here I'm painting something for you, and this is someone told me that I hadn't painted a swan before, and I don't think I have, so I wanted to, and she asked so sweetly, so that's cool. The watercolor paper in this book, it did not take water really good, not wet on wet anyway. So when I sprayed over with the spray that I got, that I showed you in this video, it dried up really fast. So it's the paper, I think, and not really good with wet on wet, but I will try and do some more of the things that I usually do, like painting on dry paper. So this is kind of an experiment, and that I haven't done a swan before, so we have a lot of swans in the area where I live, and right about now the male one is crazy, and he is terrifying people everywhere in the pond near here. So, but he's just defending his family, of course, but his temperament is yeah, it's crazy. So, but I'm just gonna let you watch the video, and I hope you like it. And next time I think I'm gonna do a little mushroom house, and blend it with my whimsical houses. So stay tuned and take care, and I hope you all are healthy and doing great, and keeping the spirits up in this pandemic. So, lots of love. Bye.